Hey family, this is Darlene. I had an idea to make some different charmed earrings from what I normally make, those gypsy earrings. I wanted them to have a little bit more wire, in which they do. And I'm not exactly pleased how they came out, but they still look pretty good. So I think with practice, I can really perfect it. So I created this one off camera, and I'm going to go ahead and create the second one on camera. And I'm just using the little small wood beads. So of course, I'm going to just go ahead and bead put the wire through the bead. I'm going to fold the wire because I want to take it through. So like that, and then I bend the wire, and you're going to need your pliers to pull that wire through like that. And then I'm going to take the other side and then put it through that bead. And I'm trying to keep it where you can actually see what I'm doing. So I'm trying to maneuver it through, find a nice little space for the wire to go through. Okay, so there it is, and I want to pull it through nice and tight to where it looks like this. And then I'm going to bend the wire up, take it across, and then the shortest wire I'm going to wrap around the longest wire like this. Just enough to give me a nice little finish down there like that. And then I'm going to cut that wire off right here. Make sure I close this wire on here. Okay, so we got this. And this is what I want to see. So I need to make sure somehow I got space down here to fit those little jump rings through. And I'm hoping that I do. If not, I'm going to have to figure a way out to open it up. But then I'm going to take my little pliers and hold it. And then bend that wire over. And then, of course, make a little round off part. And then we have this, which is about right. And I'm going to take this extra wire, clip it, and then make sure it's closed down on here, like so. And then I got this part. I might have made this part a little bit too long, but that's okay. I could always figure a way around it. Now this one looks a little longer than this one, and I can see it, and that's okay because I'll take it apart and then redo it because these are the first ones I've done like this, and I just wanted to go ahead and get them done. So let's do, I might be able to get this down a little further. Let's see if I can smash that wire down a little bit. Yeah, I'll probably have to take it apart and just redo it, and that's fine. I'll do that because it's just a little bit longer, and that's okay. So I'm going to take my charms, and I want to start filling those in at the bottom down here. Let's see if I can give myself some space. I probably need some type of, let me see, do I got something over here? Let's see if I can fit them in. Let's at least try first. before we start doing all that. So I'm going to take all the little charms that I made. And I'm going to start with this one. And we're going to take it at the bottom. Let's see if we can get it in. Probably not. I'm going to have to figure something else out because I didn't leave enough space. Over here I did. So this pair we already know is not going to be a perfect pair because I didn't leave enough wire space at the bottom to put the charms on. So of course I know this one I'm going to take apart and redo. But in the meantime, I'm going to try to make it look the best I can. So let's see if I can maybe get something on this side. Probably not. I do need to try to open up something. Just a little bit. Try this one. Yeah. Not enough. The gap is not big enough to fit anything through. So let me see if I can maybe bend it over. Okay, this might have a little space. Okay. Okay, so that's 2. Let me see if I can, yeah, see it don't hang like how the other one is, but that's okay because I'm going to take it apart. I just wanted to do the second one on video to show you guys what I was doing. And these look like I'm going to make a lot of these, maybe like 12 to a case, and then put these in the fair.com store. So let's do, there's not really an opening anywhere. Yeah, so I didn't do this one really good. Not enough space left over. So what I'm going to do, okay, I could put that there. So I'm going to take this this one apart and then just redo it so they'll be perfectly matched pair of earrings. Let's put this one. And then let's see if we can get it on, maybe on this side with the other one. Okay, that'll fit. Okay, so, oh, and it's not bad. Oh, that came out not bad at all. Not bad at all. The only thing is because this is longer than that other one. So and because it's a little longer than the other one, of course, I'm not going to keep it. And I might figure out some type of way to shorten the wire. Okay, so that's these are adorable. So I'm going to make a lot of these. I just had the idea to like use a lot of wire to just kind of do them a different way where I can see a little bit more wire. And I like these. So I am going to be using a lot of these. And I didn't use the expensive beads. I'm basically using wood beads. And the wood beads are a lot cheaper, you know, and you can get a whole lot more. Therefore, you can create a whole lot more earrings. And then the thing is, I'm going to search around. You know what? And then I have a lot of the little pearls left over. I think I got like maybe 300 of those left. So I might even just make these part down here pearls, and then find some other little small, like these right here, some other little small beads that I have, and just go ahead and create the charms for down here. And then what I'll do is I'm not going to use the expensive wire. I am going to use, I'm going to use the cheaper pins right here. So I'll use these to create the charms. So these are the cheaper ones, and they should be able to work because see the holes are small. Oh yeah. So I'll use these to create the charms that'll hang from the bottom of the earrings. And then that makes a lot more sense than the more expensive beads to create the charms with. So I'll find, like I said, I got all those pearls. I'll use the pearls for the bottom. I will use some of these little beads right here. And then I think I might have some other little small beads around here. I'll search. If not, I'll purchase some of the 4mm beads. And then those will be the charms down here. And of course, jump rings. I'll get some jump rings. And then I'm going to put an order in today because I do need a lot more of the little bitty small wood beads like this. So I'm going to order some of those today. And look, I might even use some of these colors too. You know, just to have a variety of different colors. But I like the way they came out, because I was thinking, how can I make some different charm earrings with a little bit more wire? So I do like these. I love the way they came out. Good for today. Good for today. And these will be in sets of 12. I mean, cases of 12 on my Fair.com store. I want to say thank you for being subscribers. Thank you for being members in the Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone over on Facebook. If you haven't joined, go ahead and join, because they are making some absolutely amazing items and posting in the Facebook group to let us see what it is that they're creating. And some beautiful, 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 beautiful work. Beautiful work. I mean, just really nice stuff up in there. And let's see, I think that was all for today. And we'll talk soon.